What's up, guys? It's Dean with Dean and Dunn, and today we're going to be replacing a window with a vinyl replacement window from Lowe's. I got to go to Lowe's and get some materials. So I just picked up the window from Lowe's. It's a 32 by 54, which is a very common size apparently because Lowe's actually had them in stock. I did not have to order it. If it's a custom window, you have to order one. It could take 2 to 3 weeks, so it worked out in my favor that Lowe's actually had the one I need in stock, so I can just go get the window when I need it, at least for this project. So this will be my first window replacement by myself. I have done multiple with my boss, so I'm not going to say I'm an expert by any means, but I have my mind wrapped around the idea of replacing the windows. Yeah, I got the window in the back, ladders on the rack. Little rhyme I just came up with right off the top of my head. So I'm here at the job, and here is the outside of the window I'm replacing. And this is like a storm window, so this is actually separate from the actual window, so I'm going to take that out. Just finished the window. It turned out nice. It actually went a lot smoother than I thought it would, which was nice. That job is done. Leaving the customer's house. They were happy with everything. The reason I didn't do a step-by-step on that was because there were people in the house and I didn't want to interrupt them and be talking to myself, so or the camera. So I decided to just do a time lapse. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.